Okay guys, backyard scrapping here, and we have a little package mail call to do. This is from Silver Baggins. This was from our bar trade, and I cannot wait to see it. This one's a little bit different than the others because got our Freed Baggins sticker. And the reason this one's a little bit different is because I actually missed out on his first 13 bar, but I did get an acceptable substitute. So I ended up with bar 113, which is perfectly fine because that happens to be both Cheryl's birthday and my mother's birthday, which was January 13th, the both of them. So this actually worked out well. I had to wait a while for him to get up to 113, but he finally got there, which is pretty cool. It's a lot of bars, and here we go. Another beautiful 13. 2.1 troy ounces. Our ounces troy he marks. 999 fine silver. Let me see if that's tiny. Yep, 999 fine silver. Bar number 113. So there that is. Beautiful. Nice job. And I told him just a plain old bar, and even his plain old bars are pretty. Does a really good job on them. So there that is, guys. 2.1 troy ounces. Bar number 113. Another beautiful, beautiful 13 from my collection. I don't know how well you can see it, but so that brings us on up to 4. There they are, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 13s. So I am very, very pleased with that. Had to make it official. So there they are, guys. All my 13s. Baggins, thank you so much for holding and keeping that number for me. I really appreciate it. The rest of you guys, thank you very much as well. And for the guys that are currently holding them for me right now, thank you very much. I really appreciate that, because I really do love these 13s. Alrighty, guys, there they are. Let me see if I can get you a little better shot on them. The 13 collection is coming along. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next video.